This is WUWM's Chuck Quirmbach. Wisconsin health officials continue to urge more people to get vaccinated against COVID-19, saying most of the current surge in the illness is among unvaccinated individuals. But medical leaders also acknowledge that a smaller number of vaccinated people are also testing positive, what's known as breakthrough COVID. Tracy DeSalvo directs the State Bureau of Communicable Diseases within the Department of Health Services. She says COVID-19 is going up among those who have gotten a shot because of the growing presence of the coronavirus's Delta variant.
And we know that, of course, Delta is more easily transmissible, and we are seeing more cases among people who are vaccinated, fully vaccinated, with Delta as compared to previous circulating strains of COVID-19. With that being said, I think what's also important to look at here is that we are still seeing much lower rates of cases, much lower rates of hospitalizations, and much lower rates of deaths among those who are fully vaccinated here.
The state's chief medical officer, Ryan Westergaard, says the Delta variant is not the only factor driving the surge in cases.
And the second thing is that, at least when it comes to physical distancing and mask wearing, by and large across the country, we're doing those things less well than we were at the first half of this year. In some ways, a perfect storm for why certain areas of this country, and increasingly in Wisconsin, we're seeing a large wave.
With some schools underway and more about to reopen, Dr. Westergaard is also issuing a strong recommendation to school districts and school boards. Make everyone in the school wear a mask.
Staff, students, and visitors. With this virus, we need to have 100% mask wearing in school environments if we want to do the best we can to prevent disease spread. And with people dying from this pandemic, it should be in all of our interest to do the things we can to minimize disease spread.
While the Milwaukee School District is requiring masks this school year, the Oak Creek Franklin District is one of several going the optional route. More districts are expected to decide soon. Chuck Quirmbach, 89.7 WUWM, Milwaukee's NPR.